There's goose who in the stubble has fed without restraint or trouble, grown fat with corn and sitting still, can scarce get o'er the barn door sill, and hardly waddles forth to cool her belly in the neighbouring pool, nor loudly cackles at the door, for cackling shews the goose is poor. But when she must be turned to graze, and round the barren common strays, hard exercise and harder fare soon make my dame grow lank and spare. Her body light, she tries her wings, and scorns the ground and upward springs, while all the parish, as she flies, hear sounds harmonious from the skies. Such is the poet, fresh in pay, the third night's profits of his play. His morning draughts till noon can swill among his brethren of the quill, with good roast beef his belly full. Oh, lazy, foggy, fat and dull, deep sunk in plenty and delight, what poet e'er could take his flight, or stuffed with phlegm up to the throat, or poet e'er could sing a note, nor Pegasus could bear the load along the high celestial road. The steed oppressed would break his girth to raise the lumber from the earth. But view him in another scene, when all his drink is hippocrene, his money spent, his patrons fail, his credit out for cheese and ale, his 2 years' coat so smooth and bare, through every thread it lets in air, with hungry meals his body pinned, his guts and belly full of wind. And like a jockey for a race, his flesh brought down to flying case, now his exalted spirit loads encumbrances of food and clothes, and up he rises like a vapor, supported high on wings of paper. He singing flies and flying sings, while from below all Grub Street rings.